Right now, as we dive into the sentiment surrounding data science, we see a notable spike, a sentiment score of plus 0.80, coupled with momentum of plus 0.19. This is particularly interesting, because it's well above our historical baseline, suggesting a fresh wave of optimism in the community. With two distinct semantic clusters emerging, it's clear there's a strong conversation happening around innovation and collaboration. When you leverage our API, you get a comprehensive overview that encapsulates this sentiment shift, allowing you to understand the prevailing mood in real time. Imagine you're developing a dashboard for your team. This data can help you identify trending topics and tailor your strategies accordingly. For more insights and to integrate this into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.